Okay, folks, welcome back with another episode of AC's TV Repair. I had a really nice Samsung come in. Model number, I know it's going to be hard to see it, but it's UN60HU8550FXZA. Came in, no power, completely dead. So I opened it up. The customer didn't know what was wrong with it. So I started, of course, to my main source, which this power supply board right here, it actually has three fuses. So you got your primary fuse, your secondary fuse, and then it looks like a special output fuse that's got some 3.15 amp, which is a low amp, so it's probably feeding a secondary source to feed some of those transistors. But something that happened that rarely ever happens to me. Typically, you check all your fuses, of course. That's the first thing you want to do when you have no power. And, this fuse was good. This fuse was good. Primary fuse was shorted. And I was thinking, transformer, transistor, diode, something is probably going to cause this to blow. But every once in a blue moon, it's worth it to open them up. Because as you see, that's all it was. Could have been a power surge at the customer's house. They could have crossed it, unplugged it wrong. But indeed, we have backlights. It is functioning properly. Let me see if I can get it picked up. Bear with me. Bear with me. Okay. And as you can see, it is working. Ultra high definition TV that somebody would probably just thrown away over a fuse. So if you're not scared to try it, and you kind of know what you're doing in the electronic field, don't be afraid to open it up and see what you got. Please like, subscribe, and share. And thank you for watching AC's TV Repair.